Hi boys and girls, I'm back. Today we're going to talk about lesson 9.4, using a calculator to rename fractions as percents. Last time we did using a calculator to take fractions and convert them into a decimal, so we're going to take that one step further today and rename them as a percent. So we're going to start off just like we did before, where we take our calculator and we enter our numerator divided by our denominator, which is 75. And as you can see, I get a decimal of 0 and 44 hundredths. Now, in order to take that a step further so that I can change that into a percent, now I'm going to take that decimal and I'm going to push the multiplication button, and then I'm going to enter 100 and equals. And now that shows me, it doesn't actually show you the percent sign, but it is 44%. So if we would go to answer that or enter that on a piece of paper, basically what we did was we took that 33, we divided it by 75, and then we're going to use the percent button on our calculator, and we got 44. I used 100. But you could also try it with the percent button. So we're going to do that next. I'm going to take that same fraction and I'm going to enter 33 divided by 75% equals, and it gives you the 44. It's the same answer that we got before. Just wanted to show you a different way to do it. Now we're going to take a look at taking some decimals that I have in this table, and we're just going to enter the decimal in the calculator, and we're going to multiply it times 100 so that you can see what percent that would be. So if we take the first one, we have 0.67, and we're going to multiply that times 100, push the equal key, and it shows us that it would be 67%. So basically I'm going to skip this step here in the middle because that's actually what we're doing, but as we come over to this last column where it says percent, we're going to write 67%. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with 0 and 375 thousandths. So I'm going to enter that. Now for this one, notice that I have 37 and 5/10. That is our actual percent. That's a little bit different than what we had before, because that 375 is actually a bigger numerator than our denominator, so that means that we have more than a whole there. Okay. Alright, so if we take the next one where we have 0.1666 times 100 equals, you can see that this one turns out to be 16 and 66 hundredths percent is how we would do that. Whoops. Sorry about that. Marker went across the floor. So that one would equal 16 and 66 hundredths percent. Okay. So just to show you how we can do that with a calculator, one more time, what we did was we entered our decimal, we multiplied it times 100, and that actually gave us the percent for that decimal. So again, this was changing fractions as percents, and then also taking decimals and turning those into percents. So hopefully that makes sense. Watch the video again if you need to. and we will work on that some more in class. See you next time.